Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is an absolute crowd pleaser and one of my favorites. It's jollof rice. If you would like to see how it's made, then please keep watching. For this recipe, you will need the main ingredient, which is basmati rice. I'm using golden Sela basmati rice. You will also need some onions. I'm using red onions just because I like the rich flavor that it gives the jollof rice, but you could also use white onions. We're using some tomatoes, red bell pepper. This is completely optional, but if you want your jollof rice to have that lovely rich color, I would highly recommend the addition of the red bell pepper. Some scotch bonnet. You could also use cayenne pepper or any spicy seasoning of your choice. However, if you're not a big fan of spicy food, then you could leave this out altogether. We're also using some bay leaves, salt, oil, thyme, and all-purpose seasoning or stock cubes. The exact measurements of all the ingredients are listed in the description box below. So we're going to start by soaking the rice in some water and setting that aside. Next, in a saucepan on medium heat, add the oil and allow it to heat up for a few seconds, and then add your blended onions to the pot. Allow the onions to cook down for roughly 10 minutes or until it becomes a thicker texture like so. Ensure that you stir the onions occasionally to avoid it getting burnt. Once the onions have cooked down into a thicker texture, add the blended tomatoes and red bell pepper and mix it all together. Next, we're going to add the bay leaves, the all-purpose seasoning or stock cubes, whichever you're using, the thyme, and salt. And again, we're going to mix that all together. Bring the mixture to a boil and then place the lid on the pot and allow to cook down. While the sauce is cooking down, wash the rice and drain all the water. Now we're going to check on the sauce and you will see that it's cooked down to a much thicker consistency, which is what we want. At this stage, we're going to add the washed rice and then just gently mix it all in. Once that's all mixed in, we are adding 2 cups of water. And again, gently mix it all together. Bring the rice to a boil, then place the lid on the pot. At this stage, you want to turn the heat down to the lowest setting and allow to simmer for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the lid off. You will notice that the rice looks flat and quite compact. Use a spoon to gently fluff the rice and allow the steam to distribute evenly. Place the lid back on the pot and allow to simmer for a further 5 minutes. And there you have it, perfect jollof rice. Turn the heat off and don't forget to take the bay leaves out. Serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.